Did you know penguins are some of the most hardy creatures on Earth? Let's dive into their icy world. Penguins are flightless birds, but they're incredible swimmers. They can reach speeds of up to 35 kilometers per hour. To survive the freezing temperatures, penguins huddle together in large groups. This helps them conserve heat and protect their chicks from the cold. Penguins are also amazing parents. They take turns keeping their eggs warm and feeding their chicks until they're ready to fend for themselves. From their teamwork to their survival skills, penguins are truly fascinating. What's your favorite penguin fact? Let me know in the comments.